Hey guys, welcome back to my channel ipseclabs. In this video, we're going to reverse engineer a Flutter mobile application which is in debug mode. Reverse engineering a Flutter debug application is quite straightforward. We can able to dig deeper easily. Here you can see my Android device is running and I have created a mobile application. Let me launch the application. You can see the app is running. There is a text at the center that is password wrong. So the logic is when we enters the correct password, then the text changes to password correct until it shows password wrong. Hope you have understood the app's working mechanism. Let's get into our reversing part. Okay, let me open my terminal. First step on Android penetration testing is static analysis. For that, we need to disassemble the APK file first. For disassembling, I am using APK tool here. Remember, the APK files are a type of zip archives. Okay. APK tool D for disassembling and APK name. Yeah. After disassembling the APK, we can see a new directory created here. Yeah, let me get into the new directory. cd app debug. We can see the disassembled resources here. Let's get into the assets directory. Assets, Flutter assets. Yeah, here you can find kernel blob.bin. In this kernel blob file, we can able to find entire source code for this Flutter application. Before I said this is in debug mode, so there is a lot of debug resources can be found here, including source code. So let's explore the kernel blob.bin file. You can find many random stuffs here. So the story is completely different when it's come to release mode. Yeah, you can also found many strings here. So now it's time for grep. You can see some text in our Android application. Yes, which is enter password. Enter password is our search term. We are using grep with enter password. Let's do grep with this strings kernel blob.bin grep. Just a minute. Grep enter password. So in order to get the source code before and after the search term, let me use -b and -a flags along with the grep. Yeah, -b for before the search term and -a for after the search term. Yes. 20 is not enough. Let me increase the line count. Yeah. Yes. We can see a conditional statement checking the controller text is equal to a string uname a. This is the password that we are looking for. Let me copy the uname a string. Let me put into the application. Yes, we cracked it. The the text changes to password correct. Okay guys, hope you got some takeaways from this video guys. Thanks for watching.